Okay, let's roll out with a JN Auto Loan. Wagwan, I'm ZJ Sparks. Listen, JN has an absolutely new, affordable, and exciting auto loan offer. You can now afford a vehicle of your choice, a vehicle that will suit your lifestyle, whether it's a sedan, an SUV, a pickup, or even a hatchback. There is something for you. And listen, when you get that JN Auto Loan, you can access premium services. Let's step inside. All right, so we're here with Jamar Howell. He's a client relationship officer at JN Bank. Jamar, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Now, listen, you have a lot of persons who really would love to own a motor vehicle. They would do anything just for convenience, just to get around. What are some of the features of the auto loan that you're offering?
One of the greatest features of our auto loan is that you can bundle your insurance. As you know, JN Group, we have our insurance arm. And with our insurance arm, you can take out your insurance, you can take out your auto loan, then you bundle your insurance. So for example, we extend our tenure to 10 years. When you take out a new loan for 10 years, you pay no insurance for 10 years. We pay that all for you. So you bundle. It's called the J.
No, Jamar. Repeat, because obviously I did not hear you. Did you say 10 years, no insurance if I get a loan from JN Bank?
10 years no insurance, meaning that we pay that insurance for you when you bundle your auto loan with the sure cover from JNGI, which is a member company of the JN Group. We are great. JN Bank is to meet everyone from the little man on the roadside selling his ackee and his fruits at the stall to the big man and the big woman in the office.
Wow, that sounds absolutely awesome. Now, what are some of the motor vehicles or what are some of the autos that I can actually get on this type of loan?
Well, we don't segregate in terms of cars. If you believe that you're self-employed and you sell clothes from the back of your trunk and you want we call it an AD wagon, you can come into JN Bank and get an AD wagon. But if you're in the office and you believe that, whoa, I have lived my life, I've worked hard, and I want an Audi, I want a Kia, I want a Q5, a Q4, you can get that. So it's simple. So just pick the car of your choice. Pick that dream car, pick that retirement car, pick that car that you want to spend the rest of your 5 years in. Yes, suit your lifestyle and come on in, and JN Bank will get that approved within 24 hours. Our approval time and rating is actually 24 hours once you have submitted all the relevant.
Hold on, Jamar. Go easy. 24 hours approval?
24 hours, simple as that, once all documents are in.
I'm going to get to that now. What kind of documents do I actually have to present?
Of course, you would have to verify your employment. We want to know where you are, how long you've been there, so a job letter, your 2 last pay slips, right? Your ID, TRA, to verify that you say who you are is who you say you are, right? And the motor vehicle documents, an insurance code from JNGI, that's it. And that's it really. And of course, we want to know that if you say you reside here at ATL, you reside here, so a proof of address, and that's it. Once you bring in all these documents, your ID, and we pull your credit, and we realize that you're upstanding, you have good character on your credit, with 24 hours your loan can be approved.
I heard you mention earlier on about being self-employed. I've seen online where a lot of persons who are self-employed, they complain incessantly how difficult it is to actually procure a car loan. Yes. Is it much easier with JN Bank?
It's much more easier because JN Bank, as you know, is the people bank. People own JN Bank. It's a member-owned bank. And one of the things that we cherish at JN Bank is that when you sell the fruits on the side, a lot of the fruits men on the side, for example, the New Kingston branch, the Half Tree Bank has benefit. But one of the issue with self-employed is that you may be on the road selling fruits and doing well, and you're making a lot of money every month, but you keep that money under the mattress. But what the bank wants is to open an account at JN and you put that money in the account monthly, not under the mattress. So when we see that consistency in you saving in the account and we can track that funds, then why would we not give you a loan? We can see. But if you keep it under the mattress, we really don't know what is under the mattress. So
and we don't know where you get the money from, not true. We don't know if it's legit.
Yeah, so we want you to actually put it in the bank and we help you. So all of our self-employed members who have cherished JN Bank for all the years, we commend them, and they can testify to say that JN Bank has really assisted them getting a car, because they have, even if it's just $2,000 a week, they consistently put that money within the account, and we were able to trace it. So that's what our self-employed members need to do. If you're not at the standard to file tax returns or to get an audited financial statement, consistently put that money within the account, and then trust me, we will help you find your way.
All right, so how do I get the auto loan process started? Who do I contact?
You can contact any of our 32 branches island-wide. Yes, we said 32.
32?
32 branches island-wide. And you just walk into the branch. Each branch has a sales officer that will assist you seamlessly through the process. If you are afraid because of the pandemic, COVID, not everyone want to go outside to venture, don't worry about that. We have taken care of that issue. One of the best features is that you can sit inside. Log on to jnbank.com. You will see, go to the website about loans, and you just log your name to say that I'm interested in a loan. Once you do that log and you go online and you make that log is then sent to one of our 200 and something sales officers across the island. And what's unique about it, if you live in Westmoreland and you make the log and you put it in Westmoreland, your referral will go to a Westmoreland rep. So you don't have to worry that's coming to me all the way in Kingston. So guess what? And that person will call you in 24 hours to get you started on your process. So guess what? You have nothing to worry about. So whether you want to leave the convenience of your home or you want to come into our wonderful design location that is member friendly and that is designed to make you comfortable, you choose. So we will help you find a way at JN, and it is our
Jamar, you're making it extremely seamless. Just remind them once again of the website.
jnbank.com. Just type in any Google Chrome, Microsoft, anything, just go on JNBank, www.jnbank.com.
Wow, I feel like I don't have any other questions to ask you, but I have one more question to ask you. Just one more. Why JN Bank for an auto loan? Why nowhere else?
Our tagline is, we will help you find your way. And as you said, it's the only bank in Jamaica that is member owned. It's the only bank in Jamaica where you walk into our 32 locations, you feel like a Jamaican, you remain a Jamaican in every transaction, you get immaculate customer service. It's the only bank in Jamaica that everything is hassle-free, no stress, no problem. It's like Jamaica, everything Irish, so there's no problem, hassle-free all the way. So JN Bank is the bank of choice to do business, get this car loan, get your mortgage, get your Azikro, get everything in one. And when you come to JN, you can buy your car, you can buy your house, you can do your insurance, you can take your life insurance. You don't have to move a bit.
It's all in one.
All in one.
Jamar, you really sell me on that one. I feel like we can find a way. Let's go find a brand new vehicle. All right, so we're here at the Audi dealership, and listen, I have here with me an Audi 5 sales executive, Andre McNaughton. Andre, welcome.
Thank you very much.
Now, I'm actually very impressed with the line of vehicles that you have here in the Audi line. What are they for persons who are not familiar with what you offer?
Well, right now we have a wide range of options in terms of our models, starting from the Q2 all the way up to the Q8 in terms of our SUVs, and we also have the A4 as our premium sedan. So we have a wide range of options for all levels of clients or all types of clients,
Now, I know that persons might not be familiar with the price range. You want to just run through that so they can get familiar?
Sure. I mean, the Q2 is our most affordable model at the moment. That model starts at 6.95 million Jamaican dollars. That is actually probably the best value for money that you can find in the premium segment right now. There's no vehicle in the segment that has a price that is as competitive as the Q2. And then the Q3 itself actually starts at 7.5 as well. So we do have all the options for the clients,
Sounds like you have it pretty much covered. Now, I know that you have a relationship with JN. Talk to me about that.
Yes. Well, the relationship with JN has always been a strong one. We know we have, or as we say, we have a wide range of models, and JN has a wide range of clients that we can satisfy as well with our options, So we do believe that through this new promotion, we can get more clients in through JN and just satisfy all the needs.
Sounds good. Now, talk to me. For a young professional for, let's say, an extended family, which one of the models would you recommend?
Well, I would say the perfect Audi would be the Q5. It matches up to many clients' wants and needs. It checks a lot of boxes for our customers. You know, you have the space, you have the size, you have the power, you have the luxurious features that also, you know, those things that make you feel nice when you drive in your car. No, I just have to. Yeah, man, but we have all of those, all the features in the Q5 that really make driving an experience that you look forward to when you get up in the morning, you know?
So, this is the Q5, right?
This is the Q5, yes.
Okay, let's look at some of the features inside. Give me a little tour. Clean. It looks heavy. It looks like a sturdy vehicle. It has that look.
The Q5 is solid, absolutely solid.
Okay. Wow, what do you call this color of the seating? I love this color. It is, woo! What do you call this?
This is the Okapi brown leather interior. This is genuine leather we're looking at here.
It has a really rich look. No lie.
I agree with you 100%.
All right, talk to us about some of the features that you have available in the Audi.
Well, with the 2021 Q5, we have a lot of standard equipment. For example, our full LED headlamp cluster is standard, so every single thing about your headlight is an LED, your headlight and tail light, that is. You have the keyless entry, your push button start. Looking in front of you here, you see your virtual cockpit. We have that 10.1-inch display that is a touchscreen, your Audi MMI. That is compatible with your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, Bluetooth of course, your deluxe AC system we have with wireless charging, panoramic glass roof. The list.
Hold on, did you say wireless charging?
Yes, wireless charging.
So I just drop my phone in like a tray and it charges?
Put your phone down and it charges. Wow. And even if you're gonna forget it, the car reminds you that your phone is inside if you get up and leave.
So this is a smart car?
Yes, ma'am.
I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. That is Andre McNaughton. He is a sales executive right here at Audi. If you have not checked out the Audi, how about the Q5? Check it out. All right, welcome. I have a few questions for you, Mrs. Johnson Hall. And by the way, she's a business relationship officer at JNGI. So, first up, I want to ask you, the insurance portion of the auto loan, what can you tell us about that?
Okay, certainly. So as you know that JNGI and JN Bank, there is an exciting collaboration going on. So once it is that the customers have been vetted from the JN side in terms of getting that reduced insurance loan, they come straight over to JNGI. Once they come straight over to JNGI, it is on the premise that they'll be taking out the insurance with us. So with that, they get an automatic 20% JN members discount. And also that customer also qualifies for getting other discounts depending on the conversation that we have with our customers. So after we go through that process, we talk about payment options, we talk about payment terms, we talk about the policy contract and the benefits, and it's as easy and it's as simple as that. We try to take the hassle out of insuring.
It sounds very, very straightforward, but I have a question for you. Let's say I get the loan, but I get a lower quote from another insurance company.
Our customers certainly have the opportunity to venture outside to get other quotes done. We welcome that. But we say if you do that, what will happen is that we will match that quote. We will match that quotation that our customer got outside. We want to keep it within the JN family because there are benefits when customers come to the JN family.
Now, hold on. You just say, if I get the JN loan and I get a lower quote from another insurance company, you'll match it?
Definitely, we'll match it on a like-for-like basis. So whatever it is that you have gotten from the other insurer, depending on what it is, we are prepared to match it.
Wow, I absolutely love the sound of that. Yes. But you know, you have some drivers, let's say it's the first time that they're owning a vehicle, or maybe they just got the vehicle and they're all excited, and then they meet in an accident. Will that cause an increase in their premium?
Not necessarily. Again, it depends on the situation of the accident. It depends on the policy that the insured took out, because for some contracts, they are protected. We call that accident forgiveness. So in those situations, it's not a necessity that there will be a loading or the insurance cost will go up.
It sounds good so far. And you know, a lot of persons, they can't be bothered with going inside the office. If I need to renew my policy, do I have to go in or can I do it online?
Oh, wow. Yes, our customers can do it online. We try to offer that customer-centric experience. You can renew online. However, if it is that the customer has a private motor car or a private commercial vehicle, or if it is that they have a homeowner's insurance policy, then they can renew online and it takes within 5 minutes. If you have other types of insurance policies, then please feel free. You're welcome to come in branch and we will take care of it for you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Johnson Hall, Business Relationship Officer at JNGI. It's as easy as that. 1, 2, 3. Let's go look on a car. I like this one. I like this one. All right, so we have here with us Delando Thorpe. He's a senior sales executive right here at the Kia dealership. Delando, welcome, welcome.
Well, thanks for having me.
Now, I've been looking around the showroom. You have some absolutely nice vehicles. Talk to us about the Kia line.
Well, we do have a diverse lineup, and currently one of the hottest lineup in the industry. We have units that are really nice and also forward in terms of features and also functionality. One of the key things with ATL Automotive is partnering and also getting brands that are at a certain standard and certain level. So we have a few cars at the Carnival, which is for the family. We have the Kia Sorento, which is our 7-seat option. The young professionals love the Kia Seltos, and they can be single or taken.
Oh, that's the Seltos.
That's the Seltos. So we have a lineup for everybody.
All right, so you know what, Delando, let us take a look at the Seltos and you can show us some of the features.
Sure.
All right.
So before you go into my car, the smart entry.
Okay.
So for smart entry, you press on, once the device is on your person,
Right.
you press the lock, press the unlock, and it gives you access once you unlock.
Okay.
Inside.
All right, so we're in. I love the steering wheel. It is sturdy. I love how the seat feels.
Yes.
It feels expensive.
Yeah. And Kia is big on giving you so much more from the manufacturer's side. So you'll find that it has a lot of features and you don't have to pay too much to get these features here in Jamaica. So we try to make sure we build a car for our Jamaican stylish persons and also for the conservatives, just to make sure that we have everything covered. So you like your powered seats and stuff like that.
Yeah.
12-way powered seats. So
Wow.
things like these, we make sure we build a car with multifunction steering wheel, where all the functions are at your fingertips.
So you don't have to stretch.
Exactly.
Okay.
And not just that, you have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is really good for us, because like when I'm traveling, I use Google Maps a lot.
Right.
It mirrors onto my screen.
Okay.
If I have a meeting, I can jump into a Zoom meeting, populates on my screen, and there's another feature like you'll have a title, your music options, and I know you love your music, so you'll be able to jump into those features all here from your steering wheel.
All right, it sounds good. Well, thank you so much. That, my dear, is Delando Thorpe. He's a senior sales executive right here at Kia. Okay, so we're here with Dwayne McKenzie. He's a sales executive for the VW Tiguan Allspace. This is what you're looking at, actually. But before we get to that, Dwayne, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Now, first of all, you know it's all about the JN Auto Loan. I just want to know, why did you guys decide to partner with JN? First off bat.
Happy to assist. Now, we're living in interesting times, and you know, as time goes by, we have to adapt. We have to cater to the Jamaican population. So we have to create something special for them. So we've partnered up with GN. They are now offering 6.5% for 10 years. Their turnaround time to process a loan is 5 days. Awesome. So guess what? With our rates for starting at 6,150,000 up to 8.9 million for the Tiguans, because we have 6 versions, we have a version for everybody in this market. So guess what? We're here to cater to the Jamaican people.
No, so you really come prepared for this interview. All right, so I know you have different models. You said you have 6 different models. Let's say I am a young I'm in a young relationship, or let's say that I am a young couple.
All right.
We have no children.
Okay.
Which of the models would you recommend versus if there's an extended family?
All right, listen. Based on what you just told me, I have the ideal model for you. You look like you love outdoor hiking, walking, you know, outdoor events.
Have you been watching my social media?
Sometimes, you know, when you're a fan, you're a fan. So, you know, me being me, I have to profile it and fit the right vehicle based on your profile. So I have a vehicle here to showcase how it's beneficial to you.
All right, so you know what? Let us go and check out the Tiguan All Space. Wow. Just do a check on the inside. What? Hold on. No. Hold on. Is that this looks like you're inside an aircraft. This is a lot of space. Is that tray?
Yes, it is a convenience tray. So, say for instance, you're tired and somebody takes over for you when you're driving. You can eat food on the go. You can utilize your laptop on the go. If you want to read a book, it can be done with the convenience tray. It's like traveling business class on airline. You also have storage compartments behind the seats. If you're drinking a bottled water and any beverages, there is a cup holder located beside the tray. You can fold it down when you're not using it.
You have thought about everything. How do you fold this down? Let me just feel how sturdy this is. Okay, pretty sturdy. Yeah.
Fold it down. Remove the water. You squeeze this. Fold it down.
Oh, that is very convenient. Does not take up a lot of space. And definitely in this time when a lot of persons, are on the go and they're moving, I find that will be very, very convenient. What are some of the other features?
Now, let me show you some of the features.
All right.
It has keyless access, so
Yes.
you have your hiking bag without the hassle of going into the bag. You can just place your thumb here. Once the key is present, it reads the key, locks the vehicle. To unlock the vehicle, you place your hand over the door handle, it unlocks the vehicle.
Wow.
Smart access.
So no hassle.
No hassle.
Okay, let's get inside and see. Woo! Oh! This is so good. Okay, yes, let's talk. Okay, let me hold on to the key. Right.
Let me come around.
All right. I love this. Nice sturdy feel. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna do another demonstration.
All right.
Take your glasses off for a second.
Take my glasses off. Okay.
You'd like to put them up in a safe spot?
Yes. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Down there.
Right.
The material in there is also lined with Velcro, so your glasses will never be scratched.
I love that. Nice. Good stuff. All right.
It's all about practical comfort.
I see that. All right.
Somewhere to store other items. You have storage compartments underneath the driver's seat and the passenger seat.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Very convenient. Not too far. Okay.
That's right.
Good stuff. All right.
I would love for you to start her up now.
Let's get this monkey jumping! All right, so move the seat
right
forward.
here.
All right, let me just pull this forward. Oh, nice. Is it
Push this button.
all right, which button? This one? Okay. Oh, sweet. Oh, listen to the purr of that engine. Sounds like a hefty machine.
So, I'm going to wow you with the technology aspect of this vehicle.
All right.
You can control your AC controls conventionally from the buttons here.
Right.
We've taken it a step further.
Okay.
You can touch climate control on your entertainment system, and you can adjust the fan
Wow.
speed. You can adjust temperature for both you, me, and the passengers in the back.
And it's sync as well.
That's
You
right.
can unsync. Okay. All right. So you're saying about the AC that besides controlling it from the controls here, it's also available for control via the screen.
That's right.
Okay.
Touch climate control. You
Right.
can adjust your fan speeds.
Okay.
You can also adjust temperature. And there's a unique feature that is only found in this vehicle. So you have sinus issues.
Yeah.
And there's dust in the vehicle.
Uh-huh.
You can activate a feature called air care. What it does, it uses the filters to extract the dust particles from inside this vehicle.
Oh, no, 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 no. This is top notch. This is top notch. So, if I am having an allergic reaction or if dust comes inside the vehicle, you press this and it filters out the dust particles and the pollen? Okay, let's go. No, come, we're going to get this VW right now. Let's go. Let's get this VW. We need to get the Tiguan also is right here. This is the bomb.